Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World, and today I'm dropping in just to show you another traveller's notebook that I made. This time I just went a bit bigger, just followed my own rules this time. After having picked up how to make these things, I just wanted to go with what I had and work away. So I did a bigger one this time because I've got bigger books. The papers are from this stack here, which is Die Cuts with a View. It's really old, all dressed up. I have had it for a good number of years, and I'm not really making cards anymore, just for challenges, so I thought I'll use it up. So anyway, what helped me to decorate all this is the lovely cats from Knitwits. You ever heard of Knitwits downloads? They do the loveliest paper packs, and you can just go in and pick whatever you want and download it and print it off. So I went with the cats one, catitude I think it's called. Right, I made a wee clasp here, put a wee bit of a pom-pom there, just looked like wool. I have a couple of wee charms there, one's a fish and the other's a cat. And I put a stamped wee ball of wool here from, I can't remember his name, the man that does all the crafting, who knows. And stuck it on here. This came printed off and then a punch too in the same paper. It has been laminated, but it's the dull one, the matte one, not the glossy. I'm trying to use a whole pack of it up. I'm not overly fussy on it. I would buy glossy the next time. But I got this gift to me, so I'm using it up. And what else did I do there? Not much. I've left the top no sticky at the back of it so I can pull my elastic right across. I used wee eyelets to make sure everything's secure there. And then inside, the first one is a pocket. This paper is 8 by 8, so I made the length 5 and folded up 3 inches and chopped it down as I needed it. I used the wee cards that you can get printed off for the tags and any wee leftovers at the top there, and just a bit of green wool to keep with that cat and wolf theme, you know. And this is all laminated on the inside as well. And you can see the glossy or the matte is not as good. Plus, there is a right bit of sparkle to this paper, so it has embedded glitter, which is not the best thing to do. I did put it through about 10 times for sure. These are the wee books I got from Temu. You can get them on Temu. You can get them on Amazon, I think. Somebody had got them there. But they're cute wee books, and they're just like pennies. They weren't dear. So I've glued a bit of green pom-pom from a stash to match the wool. The paper in them's not great quality. You can make your own wee books. I just was lazy this time. So I made a wee folder for inside. Again, a nice wee piece from that catitude of Knitwits. Inside, I used more Knitwits, just printed and cut it out. Every meal you make, every bite you take, I'll be watching you. That reminds you of dogs and cats, doesn't it? I am not a cat person. My daughter loves cats. She has 3 of them in her house, but you know, we had a wee dog, but he's gone now. So love me, love my cat. And again, I used all the lovely papers from that pack. You know, there's a lot of variety of the green, the stripes with the glitter, and then the black in the background. And again, I decorated the back. You are enough. So anybody writing your wee goals and whatever they're up to daily. Bit of shabby chic there going on with the lace on the next wee book. And then this is a spare tag. I'll just slot in if you're keeping, you know, the last place you're written or whatever, you could pop it in. And it has sticky notes attached to it, which I was gifted by my daughter a long time ago, so I thought I'd use them up. And that's sort of called the theme from it. I had no choice really but to go with a cat. I think that's a cat. Let's hope it is. So I did a bit of machine stitching around it and stuck one of these things from my porch prints. Then another wee book, Cat Like Wool, and I put another wee slimline bit of lace there. And again, another wee book to write in. And then the last thing is a wee tag to write on. Time spent with cats is never wasted, Sigmund Freud. So, and you can write in the back of it. And just another wee leaflet there, and then that is it. Very simple. I'm so addicted to making these wee things at the minute. They're so great for using up your stash. And like this paper that I used is one-sided, so I had to back it up, you know, and put it together to get it So I had white inside, but it really makes them good and firm. And then with the plastic on top of the lamination, it's brilliant. So, excuse me, that is me done, and I'll hopefully catch you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.